plant I know, helping it live and helping it grow. Some make food and some make seeds, some hold tight and some meet needs. Let's sing along and learn today what each part does in its own way. Roots grow deep in the ground below, drinking water nice and slow. They hold the plant so firm and tight, helping it stand day and night. Roots are helpers underground, where the soil and strength are found. Stems reach up, they stand so tall, carrying water to one and all. Like a straw, they move the drink from the roots up in a blink. Stems help leaves and buds to rise, stretching up into the sky. Leaves are green and flat and wide, catching sunshine from the sky. They take in air and with sunlight, make the plants food day and night. Leaves are chefs of every tree, cooking up food so naturally. Flowers bloom in colors bright, pink, yellow, red, and white. They call the bees with sweet perfume, so seeds and fruit can grow and bloom. Flowers help new life begin, with their petals soft and thin. Fruits are juicy, sweet and round, hanging gently off the ground. They protect the seeds inside, like a treasure that they hide. Fruit is tasty, fruit is fun, helping seeds grow one by one. Seeds are tiny, brown or black, waiting for a place to crack. In the soil or carried far by animals or window car. Seeds will sprout and start anew, making plants for me and you. 6 little parts of a plant you see, each one works so carefully. Roots, stems, leaves, and flowers too. Fruits and seeds now we all knew. Softly growing day and night, plants are magic, pure delight.